Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix the buzzing sound in any laptop. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Recording tab, select Microphone, click Properties. Uncheck Listen to this device, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Select Speaker, click Properties. Check Disable all enhancements, click Apply. Test one by one, select Best one. Uncheck Applications to take exclusive control of this device, click Apply, click OK. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall audio device. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.